Welcome guys, so welcome to my Leetcode channel, and this is the 859 called body string, and so examples that basically give you two string A and B return true if only if we can swap two letters in A, so that the result equals to B. So first one is AB and the BA. Okay, so let me explain. So the first one is AB, BA. So you can swap this. You can swap the first two, and then you get this one. Okay, and the second is AB and AB, and this is not. Okay, so basically the C is AA and AA. Basically, you can swap these two, and for this one you can swap the rest. And the fifth one is basically empty with AA, so it's definitely false. Okay, so I can write down the exact definition. Now once we write down exact definition, we can solve it. So basically the key is that the layer must exist. So layer exist. This is exist. So there exist the two indices, two I and j in string A, such that a of j equals to if a of j swap with a of I, then A will be B, and the definition is there must be such I and j. Okay, so this is the definition. Okay, so basically, okay, so we can write down the basically the pseudo code. So basically, if the length A and the length B are the same, if they are not the same length, then basically you just return false. So this is trivial. So this is the first one. If their lengths are different, then you just return false. Okay, and there is a second situation. If A is just the same as B, so that means there are AA or AA. Okay, so this is one example. Then we have two cases. So for example, one is like A, one is A, B, C, D, such like all the elements in A are different. Then there's no way that you can exchange anything to get B because they are the same. However, if there's a duplicate element in A, then you can exchange them. Okay, so this is the second case. If they are exactly the same, but if there is a duplicate element, so basically I take set and take length. If the length of the set is less than original, then we just return true. That means we can exchange the same, and else is return false. And the final difficulty is that we need to, if A and B are not exactly the same and they have the same length, then how should I do? Okay, so the key point is that we first. Okay, so before see the code, let me just tell you how to do. So we can create a table such that A of 0, this is okay, so A of 0, B of 0, A of 1, B of 1. So we can first create a map. So this is a map. We map A0 to B0, A2, A1 to B1, A2 to B2, and we keep doing. Okay, so this is a table. Okay, so once we create, actually I should not say table. I should say the tuples. So we have this type of tuples. Okay. So if there exist like A of K and B of K, and like A of K tilde and B of K tilde, such that these two are the same and these two are the same. So which tell you that you can flip AK tilde to AK, then the BK tilde will become and AK tilde will become B. Okay, so basically this means that if these two and these two are same, then you can swap these two. Okay, then you can get the correct one. Okay, so the definition becomes the original definition becomes like such pair must exist and only one. So this is the key point that we need to find a such pair. So let me remind you that the such pair means that there's a AK and BK, also AK tilde and BK tilde. Okay, such that these two are the same, these two are the same. Okay, so key point is that we just first, if they are not the same, then we just append it. Then we find if the pair is larger than 3, then we return false. That means they have two more different. If they only contains exactly two difference, then we just check the condition that we have. Okay. So this is the answer. So once you understand it and represent the code into mathematically, then you can solve it very quickly. Okay, so this is my today's Leetcode video, and I will see you guys in the next channel.